Requested by Shamsundar and Amber the Moomin fan. Gargamel installs MEMZ virus on teacher's laptop /expelled/grounded.
Good morning, class. How are you, Gargamel?
I want to install a MEMZ virus on laptop.
No, Gargamel. So fucking it. MEMZ is a dangerous computer Trojan virus and malware app. Because MEMZ destroying Windows and appears screen of infinite loop of nyan cat and no more opening Windows. I'm going to restroom. No touching my school computer.
Miss Karen is gone. I will install MEMZ Trojan right now. Ha 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 ha. Open my PC. Windows 11, here. Turn off virus protection. Open Google Chrome. Search malware named MEMZ.exe. Yay. I made installed MEMZ Trojan on Miss Karen's PC. Run MEMZ Trojan. Run malware. Yes. Destroy your PC. Yes. Your PC has been fucked by MEMZ Trojan. Flashing screen effect, tunnel effect, error icons, error sounds was here on MEMZ Trojan.
Gargamel installed MEMZ Trojan on Miss Karen's PC.
Yes! Installed MEMZ Trojan on Miss Karen's PC.
Oh no. Infinity loop of nyan cat. No longer opening Windows. Because installed MEMZ Trojan. Oh my fucking god. Gargamel, how dare you installing MEMZ Trojan on Miss Karen's PC? Screen appears nyan cat and no opening Windows. Never installing malware on computers. That's it. Go to principal's office right now.
So Gargamel? Bring my office? I installed MEMZ Trojan on Miss Karen's PC. Oh. Gargamel, how dare you installing MEMZ Trojan on Miss Karen's PC, which is not installing malware on Windows. That's it. You're expelled. Calls Papa Smurf while grounds you. Go home right now. When Gargamel got home.
Oh my fucking god. Gargamel, how dare you installing MEMZ virus malware on teacher's computer and destroyed Windows, infinite loop of nyan cat. That's it. You are extremely grounded for 1841792479124792539275927399527299732799739973279 years. That means no malware, no MEMZ Trojan virus, no Smurfs, no Plotagon fashion show, no fast food, no movies, no computer, no phone, no Instagram, no anime and no Burger King. Go to your room right now. Microsoft stops spyware.
Washington.